Hello guys, what's going on? This is Daniel from Daniel Affiliate, and as you can see on my screen, this is my withdrawal transactions using this my hawkit account. And in this video, I'm going to show exactly how you can make at least 10,000 naira to like 20,000 naira every single week using this platform called hawkit. Now, this strategy is not meant to make you rich. I recap, this strategy is not meant to make you a millionaire or make you rich. The strategy is just aimed to like helping you have some money in your hands. Then that money can be invested in some other things. That's how the strategy works. Okay, you start small, then use the amount of money you've earned from this strategy to boost your business or to use it to run advert and make more money for yourself. Are you getting me? That is what this strategy is meant for. So if you think this one will make you rich, then go and find something else to do. So for those of you who are serious about this strategy, I'm going to walk you through step by step of exactly what to do. As you can see, I'm still awaiting over 4,000 naira from here. And you see, this is just, check the date. 15th, 16th, 17th, 19th, and this is 25. You can see it's just 1 week. This one is about 1 week, 10k about 1 week, and this is another one again. I already made 4,000 naira already on January 25th. So which means practically you can make over 10,000 to like 20,000 every week with this strategy. Okay, so now let's get right into it. This strategy actually allows you make money by doing social media tasks, little tasks, or by doing referring and earning. Okay, so you can refer someone and you make money when you refer someone or you do this task. Okay, so let's start by signing up for a brand new account. So let me log out. Now what you want to do now is to go to hawkit.ng. Are you following me? hawkit.ng. Once you get to hawkit.ng, they want to create a new account. Put in your full name. Then you want to make sure you use Danny affiliates. Use it as a referral code so that you can get your referral bonus. Okay, use the referral. Use Danny affiliate as your referral code so you can get your referral bonus. Then you sign up. All right. So now let me log into my account. Right from here, let me log in. So guys, I'm logged in on my account, and please real quick before you guys say anything funny, let me go back to my withdrawal history. And you can see here, this is January 25th, so that's today's date. You can see January 25th, that's today's date. And let me show you what is today's date right here. You see, I just searched for this, what's today's date. As you can see, 25th, right? So this is today's date. This is today's date, right? So let's get right into what we need to do. Okay, so now once you've logged into your account, the first thing you want to do is to make sure you activate your account for 1,000 naira. This is a platform that pays you money for doing tasks. So because there is nobody out there that is ready to be a liability, that wants a liability, nobody wants to dash anybody money anyhow. So this is a platform that you get to do a bit of work and you make money from it. So you actually have to activate your account for 1,000 naira. So instead of saying congratulations, you're now a member, you actually have to fund your account by clicking on fund here. Then I would advise you put about 1,010 naira. Okay, then you see where it will ask you to activate your account, or you click on end right here. If you click on get started from here, let's say get started from here, you see at the top right here to ask you to activate your account. Once you fund your account, click on activate your account for 1,000 naira. Once it is activated, then that sign will be out and you'll become a member. Okay, you get this message that says you are not a member. Once that is done, you can practically advertise on this platform also. Okay, you can advertise and you can see marketplace right here of people advertising different products right here. So there's no limit to exactly what you can do with this platform. So now let's go to N right here. Now I'm going to do the first one called the post advert. Now listen carefully. This first one is actually post advert, and before you can post advert, you need to have like following, right? So for Twitter, you must have about 1,000 active following. And many of you don't have that. On Instagram, you must have about 1,000 active followers. And I don't think many of you have that. So we're going to skip this first one. You want to go to the second one, which says perform engagement task. And to perform engagement tasks, you get paid a small amount of money for doing these engagement tasks. And when you gather them up together, it actually become large. So it's actually advisable you give a particular time. So those of you who go to work, I recommend like you put about 1 hour, let's say 8 to 9 p.m. Okay, do it like 8 to 9 p.m. Make it like a job that you do, like a side also job you do every single day. So do like about 8 to 9 p.m. every single day for it to make sense. Okay, so let's say you want to do, so we have different options right here. You see, if you follow people, you get 3 naira per follow. On Facebook, you get 3 naira. If you download and review an app on App Store, you get 16 naira. You have 2 tasks available. If you like a post on social media, you get 3 naira, 1 task available. In YouTube, you do get 30 naira, 20 naira. You see, there are a lot of activities here you can do. So let's do this first one, which is follow people. Then now I have a task I've not done here. Okay, let me cancel this task. Let me just redo it again. All right, so now once you click on that, it will bring you here. Then all you have to do is to click on generate next task, click on yes, and then it will ask you to do this. So all you have to do is to click on do now. Then it will ask you to visit this link. Visit this link. It will open up in a new tab. All you have to do is to follow. And now follow this instruction. You have to open the task above, okay? Then the link will direct you. Then click on the follow button. Then create a screenshot. So now this is a platform, right? So let me log in right now. Now I'm logged in on my account. So all I have to do is to click on follow. Once I've followed, I need to screenshot this. So I'm gonna open up my snipping tool so that I can screenshot this. So I've opened it up. So let me I'm gonna screenshot this, okay? So I'm gonna screenshot this real quick. Done. So once that is done, click on here and I save the file. So I save it as capture one. Then I click on save. And when that is done, all I have to now do is to go back to hawkit, then upload the screenshot right here. Come down to pictures and capture. I've uploaded it in my username. My username, that is Danny D Affiliate. Practically that's my own name. So you want to put your TikTok username right here. So I click on put Danny D Affiliate. All right. So now I click on upload proof. And bam, I'm done with that. So if I go back here, I was actually supposed to show you this. This is 75 naira. So let's do one more. Okay, let's do one more. So to do one more, click on earn. So remember we have 75 naira right here, right? Click on earn. Get started. Engagement task right here. Click on select, and then generate your next task. Yes. Then this is the next one. Do task. So let's do this one again, right? Let's visit the link. So you can do this practically in just less than 1 minute. You are done. All right. So let me follow this guy. So let me open up my snipping tool again. So if you're using an Android phone, it becomes quite easier. Okay, you should just screenshot directly. All right, I screenshot this and I save, capture 2 and done. Then I go back to hawkit. Then I upload the screenshot right here. Then I put my name. And that's all. It's quite easy. It's very easy, okay? I go back to home. You can see I have 78 here. As you can see, guys, 78. So just have to gather it up and you make money. So that is one way to do it. And another way to make money again is to do refer and earn. So you just have to click on here, click on get started right here, and you'll be given your referral link. Copy this link. All you have to do now is to go to Facebook, okay? So you go to facebook.com, you go to Facebook, you go to any platform, and then you want to or I will actually recommend one of the best strategies to go to Telegram group that allows you to post things, or you use WhatsApp group. You want to join WhatsApp group and then advertise whatever you advertise this link there. Tell them they can make money online every single day using this platform. Then you just put in your link and let them sign up with your link. And everyone will register with just 1,000 naira. You get actually 500 naira in return, which means if you can get 5 people a day, you've made 5,000 naira. You can get 10 people a day rather. You can get 10 people a day. You've made 5,000 naira for yourself. So it's quite easy. It's quite very easy. So I really recommend you do the referral one. It works a lot better. And you can also use your social media platform like TikTok and other platforms like that. So that will be all for this first strategy. Please make sure you go try out this strategy and make money with it.